Hi there. My name's Billy Tebow. I'm your child's or your student algebra or honors algebra teacher here at Volcano Vista High School. So welcome to the new school year. I know it's a different school year, so I'm going to kind of do a different introduction to the class. So what I want to show you today is just give you a brief tutorial about the school, or the class rather. Where you can get a lot of information is at vvhs.aps.edu. So that's the school website, and if you just type that in without the www, and you click it, you come to our school website. And then from here, you're going to reach the Contact Us information. And so the faculty is here, and you come on down here to me, and you can see all the teachers here. And so I think if you're here already, that means that you got this far, because the video, in order to access this video, you have to be here. But I just wanted to show you some of my information and what's going on. First off, this is my contact information. So if anything's coming up, feel free to give me, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. Here's our class phone. I am working out of the office or my classroom, so you can always call this as well, but sometimes it's delayed in what you get back. I think you're probably aware of the virtual schedule at this point as well, but then you can get specific information about the algebra class or the honors algebra class here. So what I'd like to introduce you to is just some of the supplies that you need. You can see what they need here. The kids need either a composition book or some sort of spiral notebook to do their notes, but you have to have the Chromebook in order to access things. The internet, I know at times is a little spotty for some of the students. We'll always have everything on Google Classroom. I'll show you that in just a second here. So that's where this is being able to access that Google Classroom. And so if you click here, this is the student's class. So this is what they would see. So if it's first period, on here they can see quite a bit of the classwork or all the classwork that's set up. And how we organize it is the first 2 weeks we just did by the weeks because we weren't starting our units, and now we're starting our units. So we have Algebra Foundations. Then you can see the different tasks that they need to do. So it's tasks based on the day. So on the 24th, they had 3 tasks they need to complete. On the 25th, they had a couple tasks they need to do. And on the 26th here, they had 3 tasks that they needed to complete. And so if they did miss because of some sort of technical issue, they can always come here. They can access the practice problems, and they can access the notes as well here. We go through the notes in class, and then I post them a little bit afterwards. And so I also ask them to complete an exit ticket each day. This just helps me know if I did a good job and they understood what was going on. They can always put notes in here if they're not understanding things and they have further questions. It's a very simple way to do it. There's nobody looking over their shoulder, so they don't get nervous about it. It's just an easy way for them to communicate with me if something's not going right, and then I review those. So with that in mind, we can go back to the website here. If help is needed, extra help is needed, I can set up tutoring times with them to make sure they understand what's happening. That's important if they need that, but they just have to reach out to me, or you could reach out to me and let me know. We can schedule some time. Also, here's the course syllabus. So the course syllabus has got all the nuts and bolts of what's happening, and so you can click that. It describes some of the things I just talked about here, but it also gives you the grading outline. It also talks to you about what we're going to do here, the course outline throughout the first and second semester, approximately how many weeks we're going to do things, and what we're going to cover with each unit. The grading is here. They do assignments and exit tickets. They get grades for not all the exit tickets, but some of them, but their daily practice problems, they do that. They get quizzes almost daily over the subject that they did before, and then unit tests or projects or the assessments. And it's weighted, so it's broken down by this, and then the final's worth 20%. So that's the information there, and you can see that in the parent view or the student view as well. It breaks down the percentages and where they are with things. So you can also look through here and see if there's any other information that could be useful for you, but I just wanted to make sure that you saw that. Other than that, I'm here to help your student through the journey this year. I know it's an unusual journey for them, but we'll make it through. We've got to work together. I'm always open to any comments or concerns that anybody has. about the class or things that are going on. You can work together as a team, get these things sorted out, and make sure your student is successful. So I hope you guys have a great school year, and the students have a great school year. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.